Sun Pharma, I think the stock is trading very close to its all-time highs, closed just around that 1000 level yesterday. My sense is the stock could head towards 1050 levels. The stop loss has to be maintained at 970. The trade is for 1 to 2 days. The second is a buy on TCS. Again, if you look at the chart, on daily chart especially, it's formed a bullish pennant formation, broken that, also crossed its 50-day moving average, and the buying was also quite decent yesterday. So my sense is the volume as well as the price action are indicating a bullish movement in the stock, and I have kept a target of close to 1560 on TCS with a stop loss of 1490. On the F&O side, I have one recommendation, and that is I am moving in sync with the Nifty index movement which I have, and that is if Nifty crosses 6130 either on spot or on future basis, one can look at buying 6200 call, which is currently trading at around 92 levels. So I think in this range of 90 to 95, you can look to buy a 6200 call option, have a target of close to 120 and a stop loss of 80.
I would talk of a buy in Hero Moto, which I covered, stop loss of 1720, target of 1820, a buy in Financial Tech, stop loss 830, target 887, a buy in GSPL, stop loss 5850, target 6450, and a sell in Sun TV May Futures, stop loss 411, target 392. Well, I've already talked of a sell in Sun TV, but Hero MotoCorp has given a clear breakout. So on any declines, I would want to buy Hero MotoCorp as well, because the lot size is small and one can take a risk of a 30-40 points and play for a 70-80 point upside.
On the Nifty, I think we would look for declines to buy into. I think yesterday during the intraday dip also I had mentioned that around 60, 70, 60, 60 could be good buying areas with a 30 point kind of stop loss. So I think we'll maintain that outlook, keeping a stop below 6040. On individual stocks side, we've been trading with a mix of buy and sell positions, but I think the bias has been slightly more on the long side for the last few days. Today I've got again some mix of buy and sell calls. The first one is a sell call on Gas Authority, which had negative news flow in terms of numbers being announced and the market's not being very kind to them. So we did see some kind of selling emerge in the last hour of the trade yesterday, and now it can be sold with a stop at about 332.5 for a target of around 314. ITC was one of the index heavyweights which did very well. It's gone into a short-term up move. I think the earlier highs of 350 could be retested, so now it can be bought with a stop below 335. ONGC had a very similar kind of a breakout on the short-term charts, intraday charts. Now it can be bought with a stop at 328 for a target of 344 on the upside. I got a sell on Sun TV, which declined below its key short-term averages. Can be sold with a stop at 418.5 for a price target of 390. And finally, TCS from the IT pack is a buy. We've had buy calls on Tech Mahindra in the last few days. TCS also has broken out. Now can be bought with a stop at 1499 for a price target of 1545.